Embrace vineyard life year-round at the Hobnob, an eco-boutique hotel located in historic Edgartown, Massachusetts on Martha's Vineyard. Whether you stay in our 17-room Hobnob Hotel or you prefer the exclusive privacy of our very own Hobnob houses, guests can expect individualized hospitality and modern luxury amenities in a relaxed atmosphere. The Hobnob Hotel features 17 elegantly appointed rooms with sumptuous European linens and private baths. Guests greet the morning with an exquisitely prepared organic and farm-fresh breakfast. The Hobnob specializes in providing unique vineyard moments throughout the day, including afternoon tea, vintage port, cruiser bicycles, gourmet picnic baskets, and access to a 27-foot Boston Whaler. Whether you're relaxing in the Rejuvenation Spa, keeping fit in our state-of-the-art exercise room, catching up with the office in our business service center, or enjoying a sauna or a steam, the Hobnob Hotel sets the standard for luxury boutique accommodations on Martha's Vineyard. If you're looking for the perfect private and elegant location for your next corporate retreat, wedding, family vacation, or getaway with friends, the Hobnob offers 2 village rental homes that are available by the week year-round. The Thaxter House and the Tilton House are exclusive homes away from home, featuring gourmet kitchens, daily maid service, use of the hotel's fitness center, and full access to the hotel's island savvy concierge. Embrace vineyard life with the Hobnob Boutique Hotel.